It is a beautiful morning. The sun is shining. I feel happy today. I am very happy. Today is a good day.
I love these flowers. They are so fresh. I love these flowers.
Oh no! Watch out! Please watch out!
Oh my goodness. Are you okay?
I am so sorry. I was not looking. I am very clumsy.
I am sorry.
Let me help you. Please, let me help you stand up. Welcome to my bakery. Please come in. Welcome.
It smells delicious. Everything looks good. It smells so good.
This is for you. A cupcake for you. I hope you like it.
Yummy. It is sweet. It is very delicious. You are a great baker.
Do you like to cook? I love baking. Do you like to cook?
No, I do not cook.
Ah.
But I love flowers. See you later, Leo. Hello, Leos. What a surprise.
Hello again. Your shop is beautiful. So many colors. It is very beautiful.
Ah, this is a red rose. This is a white daisy. Red is for love.
They smell nice, but
Achoo!
oh no! Excuse me.
I think I am allergic.
I am allergic to pollen. That is funny. Mia, are you free tonight? I want to invite you to dinner.
Yes, I am free. I would love to have dinner with you.
This restaurant is nice. It is very cozy.
This restaurant is nice.
The menu is difficult.
I do not know what to order.
The menu is difficult.
Try the spaghetti. It looks good. You should try the spaghetti.
Aw.
Do not worry, Leo. You look fine. You look handsome.
The food is here. It looks delicious. I am very hungry. Eating spaghetti is hard. It is very slippery. Oops.
Oh no!
I made a mess on my face. Damn.
Let me help you. There, all clean. You are funny. The night is beautiful. The moon is bright.
The night is beautiful.
It is cold. The wind is cold. I am freezing.
Take this. It is warm. Please take my apron.
Thank you, Leo. You are very kind. It is warm now.
Are you okay? Do you feel better? Are you okay? Look at the stars. There are so many stars tonight. Rain? What? Is it raining? Yes, it is raining.
Run, Leo! Run faster! We are getting wet!
We made it! We made it!
We are safe!
We are safe! We are dry here!
I had fun today. Even in the rain. I had fun.
Here's your bus. Get home safely. Goodbye, Mia.
Goodbye, Leo.
She likes me. Yes! She likes me. I have a surprise. A sweet surprise. She will like this. Who is that? Who is that man? I do not know him. She is hugging him. She looks happy. Why is she hugging him? No, why? My heart hurts. I feel sad. Maybe he is her boyfriend. I should go. I am not important. I am just a baker. I cannot work. I am too sad. My heart hurts. Oh no! I burned the bread. I cannot focus. Does she love him? Does she love me? I am confused.
Leo! Open the door. It is me, Mia.
Hello, Mia. Who is he? Why are you here?
Leo, meet Alex. Alex is my brother. My big brother.
Brother? He is your brother? Oh my goodness! Nice to meet you. I am sorry. I am very happy to meet you. These donuts are great. You are a good baker, Leo. It is spring. The flowers are blooming. It is warm.
It is summer. It is raining. We are wet but happy.
It is autumn. The leaves fall. It is cool.
It is winter. It is cold. We make a snowman.
Merry Christmas, Mia. I love being with you. This is the ring. It is beautiful. It is time. I must be careful. This cake is special. Very special. Mary. Me? Yes. It is perfect.
Wow. This is amazing. It is so romantic. Are you okay, Leo? You are quiet. You look nervous.
I have a question. A big question. Read the cake.
Marry me? Leo!
Mia, I love you. Will you be my wife?
Yes, I will marry you. I love you.
She said yes! We are getting married! Congratulations! Happy wedding day! I promise to love you forever.
I promise to be with you forever. Look at our shop.
It is big now.
We have a family. We are happy. Life is good.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.
Goodbye. Bye. The end. The end. Have a nice day.